Hey there! Let's walk you through the steps of deleting diagrams. First up, let's delete a diagram from a site planning project. Open the Properties panel of the page with your diagram. Click the trash can icon next to it. Next, a modal window will pop up asking you to confirm. Hit delete, and you're all set. Another way is from the diagram's dashboard. Simply find the diagram you want to delete and click the trash can icon next to it. Again, confirm by clicking delete in the modal window. You can also do it directly from the diagram file. Just click the file name at the top left corner, select delete from the drop-down menu, and then confirm by hitting delete. All done. Now, if you need to delete a diagram project, here's what to do. Find the project you want to delete. Hover over it, and you'll see a trash can icon pop up on the far right. Click it. Lastly, just confirm by clicking delete in the modal window. And just like with individual diagrams, you can also delete a diagram project directly from the file. Click the file name, select delete from the drop-down menu, and confirm by clicking delete. And there you have it. Deleting diagrams or projects in Slickplan is super simple. For more information, please visit our support site. Thanks for watching.